Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to make rice milk soap. So let's get right into the video, yeah. To make this rice milk soap, I'm going to use, here I have shea butter. This is my rice milk that I froze overnight. This is my Lyle crystal. In here, I have olive oil, coconut oil, and castor oil. This is a aloe plant that I'm going to cut and take the gel and blend it in my oil. And this is the mold that I'm going to use to put my soaps in. And this is the rubbing alcohol that I usually spray my mold with before pouring my soap. So let's get to this rice milk making. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my Lyle crystals and I'm going to pour it on my rice milk slowly until all my Lyle crystal is all dissolved. Always remember to pour the Lyle and not put your stuff in the Lyle. So I'm going to mix this until it's all melted. So I'm here mixing, and as you can see, the rice milk start turning kind of yellowish. But as you pour it out and the next day, it usually turn back white. The soap usually turn white. So I'm still going at it until all my rice ice particles are all dissolved. So this is my rice that I've melted, and it come out like very lumpy because I make my rice milk very thick, and it also having a little rice grain inside of it, but it will be good as I blend it. The next step I'm going to take is I'm going to take my shea butter and I'm going to pour it in my oils. Not everything is like this in fact. So after I've placed my shea butter in my oil, I'm now going to put it in the microwave so that my solid butter can melt. All the time that my oils are melting, my shea butter is melting, I'm going to peel my aloe plant to take out the gel to blend. So this is my shea butter. I'm going to spin it until it dissolves because it's already weak. So I'm going to spin it up. Yeah. Now that my shea butter is all melted in my oil, I'm now going to put in my aloe gel. Then I'm going to stick blend it together. Okay, so now that I've blend my aloe gel together with my oil, I'm going to take my Lyle. This is supposed to be Lyle water, but knowing that the rice I do the rice real thick, it come in a lumpy form, but it still usually work and it still usually cure and it still get beautiful soap. So I'm now going to put in mine, supposed to be Lyle, in my butter. Yes, so I'm just smashing up all my lumps of rice milk because it come in real thick. Then I'm going to stick blend it. Ooh, it's coming in thick very fast. And as you can see, you're seeing the little grain of like my rice particles that I've left in it. I don't know if you guys are see it. It's in all the rice that I've left back, the fine rice. So now I'm going to pour my soap in my mold. It came out lovely still. Yes, so I'm gonna pour it now. Before pouring, I'm just gonna spray some of my rubbing alcohol. When you spray the rubbing alcohol on top of your soap, that is to prevent the soap from getting air bubbles in your soap. But I usually spray the bottom, and according to the soap that I'm making, the water content, I usually spray to the top. I'm not going to wipe it. So this is my soap in my mold, my rice soap, and these are 4 samples that I get out of it. Yes, as you can see the little rice particles inside of it. So this is the result of my rice milk soap the following day. They are so beautiful, and this is the 2 design that I've used. And these are my samples. So that was my rice milk soap. Hope you guys enjoy looking at this video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you guys on my next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye guys. Thank you.